How to order foreign currencies from Chase Bank. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to any of the web browser and then move into the site chase.com. It will land you on the official page of Chase. Once you're in here, you have to enter your username and the password and simply log into your specific account. If you don't have your account yet, you can simply create one. Well, the best method to order foreign currency is to use the credit card. It doesn't even charge foreign transaction fees. If you already don't have one, you can apply for Chase Bank credit card. Well, the other method is to select the local currencies. This will require a credit card for purchase in another country. You may be asked if you would like to use USD or the local currency. Selecting the local currency might be the better way in here. That way, you will be able to pay for everything with the local currency. You don't even have to worry about the vendors along your trip not accepting USD. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can order foreign currency in Chase Bank. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.